Hi, boys and girls. For math today, we're going to start with an activity called Count Around. Now, in class, we're going to have us all stand in a circle, and everybody would take a turn saying the next number. But you're going to participate, and lucky for you, you get to say all the numbers out loud. And I'm going to start at a random number, anywhere between 1 to 9, and we're going to count by tens from wherever we start. So imagine your classmates in a circle, and I would pick somebody to start. I'm going to record what they say as we count by tens. All right, who would like to pick a number to start with? 3. Okay, let's start with 3. Now, what's 10 more than 3? 13. What's next? 23, 33, keep going around the circle, 43, 53, 63. Okay, stop there. Let's start at a new number. Who would like to pick the next number? 6. All right, let's start at 6. What comes next? Counting by tens. 16. You're right. What's next? 26. 36. 46. 56. 66. 76. Okay, stop. Boys and girls, you're such fast counters, counting by tens, starting at any number. Now, let's try another one. 4. All right, let's start at 4. What's 10 more than 4? 14. What comes next? 24. What comes next? 34. 44. How are we going to figure out what comes next? Oh, my line's getting kind of wobbly. Do you see any patterns? How are you going to figure out what comes next? Because in all reality, in a real second grade classroom, some of our friends might have to count by ones to get to the next number. They might have to say 44, 54, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. And if that's where you're at, well, that is okay. Some of you might think, okay, what's 10 more than 44? Well, I know 4 plus 6 is a 10. So if I counted 6 more, that would be, make it the next 10. But I need to add those 4, so 54. A lot of people think in different ways. Some of you might be noticing how it goes up in the tens column. Do you see that? So let's look at the last one, 10, 20, 30, 40. You see it's going up by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And the number in the ones place remains the same. It's always a 3. In the second example, we had the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, but the 6 remained the same in the ones place. So let's look at this one. 10, 20, 30, 40. What comes after 40 if you're counting by tens? It's going to start with the 5 for 5 tens. And what is the last number? The 4 for 54. Okay. Now, we're going to do a count around, but this time we're going to go past 100. So I'm going to pause so I can erase my board. Okay, so we're going to count by tens, starting at any given number. Now we're going to go past 100. Let's start at 8. Count with me. Counting by tens. 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58. I'm going to go down here, so, I guess I can keep going. 68, 78, 88, 98. Ooh, how do we get past that 100? 98. Now we say 108. We're at 108. Now we're going to focus on the 8, we're not going to emphasize the 100. It'll make it easier. So we're at 100. I'm going to move my 108 over here. 108, 118, 128, 138, 148, 158, 168, 178, 188, 198. Woohoo! Great counting. Is this making sense to you? Okay. We're going to do that lots more throughout the year. It's not the only time. So, when you join us again, we're going to play count around. You'll be ready to play. An activity that has been posted on Seesaw, which I'm not sure if you've done already or not, is what we're going to do in class. We are going to use this 10-strip template to cut out the strips to make a number line with the length of 50. As you see, this is a group of 10 with 5 black and 5 white, kind of like our bead rack. So total we would have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You're going to cut them out and you're going to glue them end to end so you have one long skinny number line. Kind of like, I'm not sure if you can see, this number line in our room we made stretches way over there, that adding tape. We made a number line. Okay, and you're going to measure, let's see if you can measure 7 different objects around your house. And list the object and tell me how long it is, how many cubes long. This is essentially the size of a Unifix cube train. Okay? And after you do that, you can record that however you wish. Take a picture of the table that you measured, make a list, type it up, whatever you want to do, and then you can go ahead and do a workplace to wrap up your learning. Go ahead and do a digital workplace or plan Prodigy or not, because you did enough math for today. All right, bye.